Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we're showing you our latest CarPlay module for the Audi A7, RS7. We are still in the same car, so this is 2014 RS7 with a 3G system, and we want to show you the Android connectivity. It's the same upgrade that we did, so it's the same module that we've used for CarPlay. It supports both Android devices and Apple phones. So now we trying the Android to show you that also fully works. So now Android is slightly different to Apple, because when you plug the Apple, that kind of starts automatically. With Android, you have to first do the initializing on the phone to allow it to connect to the car. So I've just connected the phone here. As you can see, it's connected by the cable, and the message on the screen says Android Auto cannot connect right now. When it's safe to do so, please check your Android phone. So what we need to do, we need to go to the phone, and here it just tells you what to do. So unlocked and continue. I'm gonna press that. And it says it would like to connect to the Bluetooth and allow the car access and so on. So we say yes, next, and that's all. And then the Android kicks in, as you can see, and already goes straight to our favorite app, which is Waze. Now, in terms of operation, it's very similar to CarPlay, so fully controlled by the MMI console here. And if you want to go to if you want to see, I'm just going to show you the main menu of the Android Auto. So all the apps are here. You can go through them and just select whichever you like the one we just been to, which is Waze. That goes into it. It has the same functionality. So if you want to switch between the Android Auto or the car MMI menu, you just need to press one of the buttons. So let me just press nav, and that, as you can see, switches back immediately to the car MMI menu. From here, I can just select different options like telephone, car info, media, radio, and so on. To switch back to the Android Auto, I just need to press the nav button and hold it, and that switches back to the Android Auto screen. And again, fully controlled with the main with this rotary button here. So I'm just scrolling through things. To jump between options on the top screen to the bottom, I just use these two buttons, which is up and down. So if I press down, it goes, as you can see here, and I can then scroll through. If I'm playing music, I can just check next track, which is from different app. But the main one is here, which is want to select that to go back to the car, to the main Android Auto menu. Yes, as always, again, this comes fully installed by us, giving it the full Android Auto functionality in your car, fully operated by the car buttons that you already have. In this instance, again, this is 3G system, so you operate it through these buttons. The steering wheel controls are not supported, so whatever I press, this will only adjust the DIS screen. It will not adjust anything on the main screen of the Android Auto. You can still adjust the sound volume up and down on the steering wheel, but that's the only thing you'll be able to do on that. Everything else is done by the MMI console here. Yeah, gives you the full functionality. And again, this is for cars that could never have this option from the factory. This is the solution we offer for all the Audi range models. So if you have a car that you would like the CarPlay, just get in touch with us, and links will be in the description, and we'll provide further information and so on. Thank you once again for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.